my name is Olivia Clem, and I'm here to answer some of the common questions about the structure of our county board, and particularly what happens when a company applies for a special use permit in our county. As you likely already know, our county board is made up of 12 elected members. Our county is divided into 4 districts, districts A, B, C, and D. In 2018, there were 3 members elected from District B and 3 from District D, and in 2020, Districts A and C will be up for election. Then there are several subcommittees that the county board is divided into, such as Finance, Marina, Road and Bridge, Public Safety, Property, and the Land Use Committee. Our county board then appoints 2 specialty committees to assist them. They appoint the ZBA, which stands for the Zoning Board of Appeals, and the RPC, which stands for the Regional Planning Commission. Each of these specialty boards has some guiding documents to assist them and a special purpose. The RPC uses what's called the Comprehensive Use Plan as their guiding document. The Comprehensive Use Plan does just that. Comprehensively takes a look at how we can use the land and the assets in our county. So there are several themes in here, such as telling the DeWitt County story, how we can promote residential growth, and it particularly focuses on preserving our rural character and agricultural atmosphere. The Zoning Board of Appeals then is guided by zoning ordinances and 6 key questions. The zoning ordinances have been adopted to protect and promote the public health, safety, comfort, and general welfare of the people. And then there are 6 key questions that are particularly used when someone applies for a special use permit. So let me go on and explain that special use permit process. In this case, the company is called Tradewinds, who has applied for a special use permit. They wish to construct a wind energy conversion system in our county and build 66 turbines up to 599 feet tall. When a special use permit is turned into our county, it is first turned into our zoning administrator, who takes an initial look at the application. Our zoning administrator makes sure that the applicant has completed the paperwork as required. And then the Land Use Committee takes a look at the application for further analysis. After those 2 steps, these 2 specialty boards take a look at the application through the lenses of their guiding documents and give a recommendation to the county board as to whether or not the special use permit should be granted or denied. So these 2 advisory boards take a lot of time to analyze the special use application in great detail. They listen to public testimony, research the document. The application is over 1,000 pages long, so it's a very extensive step. First, the RPC will review the application. The applicant will have an opportunity to present to the RPC why they believe their application conforms to the comprehensive use plan. And there will also be time for public comment, both for those who support and those who oppose the application or believe that it does not comply with the comprehensive use plan. In this case, the RPC is scheduled to review the application on November 19th at 7 p.m. in the county building. You are definitely welcome to come. It's very important that the public participates in this process. So you're very much encouraged to come. Next comes perhaps the most extensive step. And this is when the ZBA takes a look at the application. I say it's an extensive step because it's almost a quasi-judicial hearing that takes place. First, the applicant will present testimony. They'll have experts come. Anyone from the public can speak, and the opposition has the opportunity to cross-examine those experts. This is why we so much appreciate your support in fundraising, because we are able to hire legal representation that's very helpful for us to have throughout the hearing. Then the opposition also has a chance to do the same. They will provide public testimony, they will have experts come and speak, and provide reasons why they don't believe that the application complies with the 6 key questions or the zoning ordinances. The timing of this takes place, we have the dates scheduled on the banner on our Facebook page, and the timing of it is such that the applicant will go first and take as many days as they deem necessary to present fully their information. And when they have completed their presentations, then the opposition will go ahead and go, and names will be called from a list of sign-up speakers who then can present in order that they're called. And so this process takes as many nights as needed in order to fully hear all sides of the information that's presented. Since it's so critical that your voice be heard about this issue that is going to affect our county for years and years to come, we definitely encourage your participation, particularly in this step, and it'll be important to stay tuned for further details on that. The zoning, since I have mentioned a number of times that the Zoning Board of Appeals takes particular look at the 6 key questions that I mentioned, let me go through those. Question number 1. Will the establishment, maintenance, or operation of the proposed special use be detrimental to or endanger the public health, safety, morals, comfort, or general welfare within the surrounding areas? Question number 2. Will the proposed special use be injurious to the use and enjoyment of other property in the surrounding area? And will it substantially diminish or impair property values in the surrounding area? Question 3. Will the proposed special use impede the normal and orderly development and improvement of property in the surrounding area? Question 4. Are there adequate utilities, access roads, drainage, and necessary facilities provided or will be provided? Question 5. What would the impact of the proposed special use be on traffic in the area? Are there any measures being taken to address ingress and egress to the proposed area? And question 6, would the proposed special use shall, in all other respects, conform to the applicable regulations of the district in which it is located? So as you can see, this is a very extensive step, which is why we so appreciate the time and dedication that these 2 advisory boards take to really completely hear all the information provided. Their recommendations will be given to the county board, who will then make the final decision as to whether to approve or deny the special use permit. The county board members are encouraged to attend these hearings because there's many first-hand documents that are provided and visual aids that are given, but they're also granted a transcript of the entire ZBA hearing, so that is valuable as well. I hope you've found this video informative. We appreciate the public service that's given by the men and women, not only on our county board, but on these 2 advisory boards as well. This is definitely an important issue that affects not only our agricultural soil, but the lives of many families for generations to come. So we appreciate their participation, their service, and we definitely appreciate your participation as well. We're so blessed to be able to have a public voice in this system, and I look forward to seeing many of you at meetings and joining together to do what's best for our county. Thank you.